Hello students, hope you all are healthy. I Anjali Patel once again welcome you all to my class, and this video is for class 6, and today we have to finish the chapter diversity, and today's topic is unity in diversity. So before this topic students, we have to discuss the answers of homework questions that I have given you in our last class. So let's discuss the answers first.
So students, let's start with our first homework question, that is, what are the impacts of diversity in our life? So the answer is, increased diversity has a great impact on social interaction and the integration of societies. The diversity of lifestyles, value systems, and experiences have both positive and negative consequences. We can learn and adapt many things from people about different cultures and religions. Now, students, our next homework question was, why is India called the country of diversity? So, students, there are many reasons for which India is known as the country of diversity. I hope you get the answer. And the answer is, India is a country of diversity because we speak different languages, have various types of food, celebrate different festivals, practice different religions, etc. Now, our third and last homework question was, how is the diversity of India important? So, students, the answer is, India is known across the world for its diversity. It is the home of largest number of different socio-cultural groups based on race, religion, language, etc. When India got independence, many political thinkers had commented that democracy in India will not survive because it's too diverse to be united as a single nation. क्योंकि इंडिया में हम इतने सारे रिलीजन, इतने सारे लैंग्वेज, इतने सारे कास्ट, सब कास्ट में डिवाइड हैं लोग, कि उस समय पॉलिटिकल थिंकर्स का, इंडिपेंडेंस आज़ादी के बाद बहुत सारे पॉलिटिकल थिंकर्स का मानना था कि इंडिया में डेमोक्रेसी बहुत दिनों तक नहीं चल पाएगी, क्योंकि यहाँ लोग अलग अलग धर्म को, अलग अलग कल्चर को फॉलो करते हैं. नाउ let's start with our first topic of today, that is unity in diversity. So students, let's understand this. But what is unity in diversity in India? Unity in diversity in India. So India is a country of different culture, race, language, and religion. Means here in our country people follow different culture, their races, means colors are different, they use different languages, as we have discussed yesterday, that almost 122 spoken languages are there. And religion, people belong to different religion, and in religion also they are divided in caste and subcaste. This is the land of unity in diversity, where people of different lifestyles and methods live together. They belong to different faith, religion, but then also, means people belong to different religion, different caste, different subcaste, faith. Then also, these different, means in spite of these differences also, we remain with our brotherhood and humanity. We all are living with brotherhood and humanity. Now, students, our first point of unity in diversity is, diversity has always been recognized as a source of our strength. What is the meaning of this? As I have told you, diversity always improves life of people, and It also provides strength to the nation. Now, the next one is it teaches us that there are different ways of doing the same thing. For example, I've told you in our last class also that Hindu prays in different ways and Muslim prays in different ways. The way of prayer, offering prayer to God is different, but the motto is same. The motto is to offer the prayer to the same God. So diversity, different religions, different creeds and different culture teaches us that how to do a work in different ways. एक ही काम को अलग अलग तरीके से कैसे करना है. नेक्स्ट, इट एड्स टू द रिचनेस ऑफ आवर सोसाइटी. ये हमारे सोसाइटी को और समृद्ध बनाती है. कैसे? बाय एडिंग different things, like we have a lot of choice with food, with dance, with religion, with dresses. हमारे पास बहुत सारी चॉइसेस हैं, हम किसी को भी अपना सकते हैं और ये हमारे कल्चर को और ज़्यादा रिच बनाती है. नेक्स्ट, इट टीचेस अस टू बी टॉलरेंट. Diversity teaches us to be tolerant with the all individual of the nation or the world, whether the individual belong to any caste, any religion, belong to any race, any culture. We have to tolerant means हमको उसके साथ सहयोग की भावना रखनी चाहिए. Now it help us respect people of different religious beliefs, social customs. Students, people belong to different religions and their beliefs are different, but what we have learned that we have to respect all the religions, all the religious beliefs. हम चाहे जिस धर्म को फॉलो करें, लेकिन हमें हर एक लोगों की आस्थाओं को रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए. एंड द सोशल कस्टम्स फॉलोड बाय डिफरेंट पीपल. Now students, in spite of our strong cultural, regional and religious differences, we have a unique unity. Means our India is a unique unity in diversity, which can be explained with an example, and the example is freedom fighting against the British rule. That how we all together fought against the British. Now, when Britishers came to India, they found in India that people are divided in different religions, different caste, different subcaste. They belong to different culture. They have different food habit, different religious beliefs. They thought that it's very easy to divide the Indians because of this diversity, because of these variations, because they are different in their culture, in their thinking, and they thought we'll divide them easily and then continue to rule in India. But the people of India showed them unity. They show that how we all are different in religious beliefs, in culture, in food habit, in language, but then also we are united, and yet be united in their battle against the British. Women and men from different cultural, religious, and regional backgrounds came together to oppose British rule. Whether of Muslim caste, whether of Hindus, whether Sikhs, all came together to fought against the British, opposed British to in the freedom struggle of India. They worked together to decide joint actions. They went jail together, and many of the movements together they are taken to make India free. Different songs and symbols emerged during the freedom struggle. Work as a constant reminder. The songs and symbols constantly work as a reminder that our country's rich tradition of respect for diversity, that we respect the variations which are in our country. The Indian flag was used as a symbol of protest against the British by people everywhere. And so this is the importance of Indian flag in the British in the struggle of freedom. Now students, unity in diversity is a phrase which coined by Jawaharlal Nehru to describe the India, that our country is a unity in diversity. And here our chapter is finished. Now your homework questions for today. Your first homework question is, how was the Indian flag used against the British? Why did the British think that they could divide Indians? And the next one is, give any 4 reasons for a different type of diversities in India. Explain unity in diversity in India with a suitable example.
So students, today's session is finished here and we have completed our chapter also. Now you have to complete your homework questions properly and your exercise also. Till then, thank you and stay safe.